into like a weird place.
I'm not call the cops.
I am the cops.
You kick me again, you're gonna hit the ground. You understand me?
They're wrong. I'm gonna sue the fuck out of you.
At Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, an officer from the DFW Airport Police Department was dispatched to the baggage zone after a Delta Airlines passenger reported a carry-on bag stolen directly from the aircraft. The officer locates the suspect, identified as George. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968, an officer may briefly detain a person for investigation when reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity exists. Here the victim's complaint, a clear description match, and the timing of George's Delta arrival together establish that reasonable suspicion. The officer's first approach is calm, professional, and non-confrontational. Textbook contact stage.
Hey man, can I speak to you for a second? Did you just come in on a Delta flight?
Yeah.
Is this your bag? Because I just had someone come complain that a bag matching this description was stolen from that airplane.
Oh, go for it.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
It is yours?
Oh, it's my boyfriend's, but
It's your boyfriend? Is your boyfriend traveling with you?
Honestly, we're divorcing as of this trip.
Okay.
So you go for it. Look.
Is there anything in there with your name on it by chance?
Nope.
No?
I don't think so.
Okay. You got an ID on you by chance?
I do.
Can I see it, please?
Go for it.
Can you pull out your wallet, please? Let me see your ID. You got a state-issued ID, or is this going to be all you have? Do you have a state-issued ID, or is this all you have?
I have a state-issued ID if you really want
Yeah,
it.
if you don't mind. It's just a little bit easier for us to run it. Perfect. Thank you, sir. You can have your passport back.
Can you help me find the, like, ex-boyfriend?
Oh, we can deal with that here in a second. Let's walk over here, just get out of the way of this path. And I'm more than happy to help you out, all right?
I don't believe you. I think you're trying to, like, lure me into, like, a weird place.
I'm not trying to take you into any weird place at all.
Yeah,
Someone came and knocked on my door claiming that their bag was stolen with your description.
Well, search through it.
Well, I will.
just
Let's move
feel
over here.
very
Just get out of the
awkward.
way. Just right over here near the glass, okay?
Thanks,
Do me a
man.
favor. Let's just move right over here, okay? See
Babe,
that? See that?
I'm totally chill. Like,
I
you
get
go
that.
first.
Right over here next to the window.
You go first.
Walk over
You
to the
go
window.
first.
Walk over to the window.
I don't believe you.
Walk over to the window for me. Literally walk right over there, and this will go a lot smoother.
What the fuck is going on?
I'm asking you to move over
I
there.
don't believe you.
Look, my partners are over here. Just walk.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I will call the cops.
I am the cops.
I will call your authority.
Hey, let's go.
Come on.
He's touching me. He's touching.
Yeah, we're done.
Oh! Ah, help! 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 Help!
Right here.
Help! Help me! Help! Help! Help me! What the fuck? Oh my god! Help!
Quick!
Help me! I haven't done anything! Help! Help! Help!
Stop kicking.
I haven't.
You kick me again, you're gonna hit the ground. You understand me? You kick again, I'm gonna throw you to the ground. You understand?
Help! He's torturing me! Help! 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 Help me! Help! He's torturing me! I haven't done anything wrong! Help!
Stop!
Help!
Headbutted me.
Help me!
We got the car.
Okay.
Kick me again. We go over the ground. You understand?
Shelly, will you go
What?
You did.
roll? I have ID on me. Roller bag right over
Help
here. It's a
me!
Samsonite black roller
He's
bag.
torturing me!
Where did it go? I threw it. Somebody picked it up.
Help!
Oh, well.
Help me!
Dude.
Help! He's torturing me! They're
take him
wrong! Help me! This is discrimination! Help me! Oh!
That one right there. Yep, that one right there.
There's 3 more. I need. Help me! They're discriminating! Help!
Get up.
Help!
Dude.
Help! Help me! They're discriminating! discriminating against me! Help! Help! They're wrong! I'm gonna shoot the fuck out of you.
Chill, I'm just gonna sit him down right here. I'm not gonna worry about trying to cart him down there. If you want to...
Yeah.
Unlock
Sit.
my hands.
Sit.
Don't tell me what to do.
Sit down.
Oh, don't
Okay.
me! I will. You kicked me.
Edward 4.
You do it again, you go to the ground.
He kicked me! He kicked me! Help! Help! Help!
You're not,
Help me!
you're now under arrest.
Help! Help!
You're under
Help
arrest
me!
for theft. You're under arrest for assault.
Help! Help me! Help! Help me! They're torturing me! Help! Help!
Edward 4, we've got him in cuffs.
He's lying!
Theft.
Help!
Peace officer.
Help! Help me, please! I haven't done anything! Help me, please!
Stupid move, dude. Stupid move.
Help me! Help! He's telling me it's a stupid move! He's torturing me! He's torturing me! Help! Oh my God! Help!
All right, sit up.
Help! Help me,
Hold on, let's check his pockets here.
please! Help! I haven't done anything wrong! Don't touch my wallet.
You're under arrest for assault.
What?
You kicked me. Assault
I'm
of a peace
not.
officer. You're also under arrest for
He's
theft.
lying! He's lying, please! This is discrimination! Please! I didn't touch him! I swear to God! He's ripping my wrists apart! Ow! I haven't done anything, I swear to God!
All right, I've checked both pockets and back pocket.
I don't have any weapons, I don't have any drugs, I haven't done anything! He's hurting me, I swear! This is not a weird thing! He's hurting me! This is discrimination and I will file a police report! Help! 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 This is discrimination! He is lying! Help! Help! Help!
Was he the one that set this one back?
Yes. Stolen back. He also tried to go through the fire door and set his fire door off over here.
Oh, he did?
Yep.
You couldn't understand anything you said on the radio.
Edward 4 on 2. Can you check one out of Florida by deal number? Yes. Yeah, I just talked to you. Can I see your ID?
Yes. I have my passport in my car. Is that okay?
Do you have a state issued ID by chance?
I have a picture of my phone. I just don't have it on.
That's fine. It just makes it easier for us to run it, and I'm going to have you go through this real quick and make sure there's nothing missing.
As long as there's like a sweatshirt and blazers on the front, then it should be pretty normal.
Okay, it didn't look like anything.
I didn't hide everything valuable is in that. And
No, although he was kind of stumbling a bit, but
I thought I smelled a little bit, so
Edward 4, go ahead.
what a D-bag.
well,
Why do you do that? Why I don't understand why you try to take a bag that's in like the second. Like that's first class people. Those people pay a lot of money for it.
Negative. All officers are fine. No open wounds, no blood. Just kicked in a headbutt. If you'll do me a favor, if you'll write your new address, phone number, and email on there.
Got my email as well.
Edward 4 on 2. Can I get you to run a second out of Georgia? That's me, my victim. Yes, email as well.
So
Yeah, go through Mitchell.
I'm just gonna check it.
Yeah. And if we can do like a quick inventory, when we do a theft report, we have to list every item with like estimated values.
So this is like $100. This is just it's because it's a tour sweatshirt. That's why it's so expensive. Pearly tank top, Quicksilver, Nike blazers, 2 pair of pajama pants from Costco, like 15 for both.
Affirmative, last
Like
time,
normal
Brody.
packaging.
Okay, so sweatshirt, $100.
Yes.
Oh, hold on. Edward 4, go ahead.
Yeah, everything's. I mean, nothing was in there. Everything was in my backpack. I was gonna put what the 4s in here. I'm so happy I didn't. I'm so happy I didn't. Yeah, they're in my backpack. Yes.
How much?
40 probably. Nike tank top, another 40. And then my Old Spice deodorant, $5 probably.
Sorry, what was the $5?
Old Spice deodorant.
Old Spice deodorant.
You know, gotta keep it in.
Oh, you're good.
And that's it. That's all it's in.
And the cost of that. Yeah, and if you, for some reason, you get home and you realize, oh crap, I'm missing something. Once my report's done, I can't do anything to it. But you can follow it up with CID, or criminal investigation. The fact that you got everything back, like I said, I don't know how far they'll go with that portion of it. But the crime's a crime, and you got your bag back.
All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Have a good night.
George's story shifts rapidly. The bag belongs to a boyfriend, then to a spouse divorcing as of this trip. The officer accepts the passport, then requests a state-issued ID. Standard identification procedure, voice low, posture neutral throughout. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided in 1977, recognizes an officer's authority to direct movement during a lawful stop. The officer asks George to step toward the window, away from foot traffic, with a glass backdrop for clean bodycam coverage. George refuses, accusing the officer of trying to lure him into an isolated, weird place. The detention remains a lawful investigative stop, not an arrest. The officer continues verbal de-escalation, offering chances to comply peacefully. This is the legal pivot. George kicks the officer in full view of the body cam. Under Texas Penal Code Section 22.01, assault on a peace officer lawfully discharging duty becomes a third-degree felony, punishable by 2 to 10 years in prison. The takedown follows. Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, governs use of force. Reasonableness is judged from the view of a reasonable officer on scene, weighing offense severity, immediate threat, and whether the suspect is actively resisting. Before further control, the officer issues a clear warning: kick again, and you hit the ground. This is textbook compliance or consequence language. A clear option, a clear consequence, no profanity, no escalation. Every word recorded on bodycam. The officer turns to the underlying offense. Under Texas Penal Code Section 31.03, theft is the unlawful appropriation of property with intent to deprive the owner. The bag belongs to a Delta first-class passenger and is recovered intact on scene. On scene, the officer conducts a full inventory with the victim: sweatshirt, tank top, shoes, deodorant, pajama pants, establishing identity, value, and chain of custody. This documentation separates a clean theft case from a dismissed one. George had also tried to flee through a fire exit door, triggering the alarm. Under Texas Penal Code Section 38.04, evading detention or arrest by fleeing on foot is a Class A misdemeanor, adding a third charge to the prosecutor's growing list. During restraint, George continues kicking and attempts to headbutt the officer. Under Texas Penal Code Section 38.03, resisting arrest, search, or transportation is a separate offense, bringing the total potential charges to 4 distinct counts. At booking, George threatens to sue. Section 1983 of Title 42 U.S. Code allows civil rights claims for constitutional violations under color of state law. But the body cam shows lawful suspicion, lawful detention, and proportional force. Pearson versus Callahan, decided in 2009, sets the qualified immunity standard. A plaintiff must show the officer violated a clearly established constitutional right. On this footage, that bar is nowhere close to being met. A 1983 claim would fail.
Okay, are they? Okay.
I haven't done it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. They have the same
Fucking sue the fuck out of you, bitch! Help! Help me! Help! It's abuse of power! Help! 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 He's abusing me! He's abusing me! Help! Help me, please! Done anything wrong, please?
Because he kept saying
Check
she
me.
on the radio.
Check my brochures. Check everything.
gives you any.
You can check everything. I haven't done anything wrong, sir. Please, he's abusing power. He's abusing power.
I don't know really the full story. He's out of his seatbelt though, just so you know.
Help! Please! I'm not out of my seatbelt. Help!
We're gonna bring him in, search him as per usual, take his pictures. We're gonna move him over and take his prints and then go straight to the cell.
It was a pretty hasty search out there.
Hey George, can you relax? So we can. All right, come on,
I'm in
please.
handcuffs.
Yeah, well, come on out. We're gonna help you out, all right, bud?
I don't trust you.
You gotta come out, dude.
I don't trust you.
George, please.
Dude, I'm not trying to cause trauma.
Okay, then come on.
I haven't done anything this
Yeah,
entire night.
we'll get it worked out. Okay.
Then unlock my handcuffs before I get out of the car.
come out of the
No, I
vehicle.
don't trust you.
George.
Unlock my handcuffs.
Okay.
Go around and walk.
All right.
No, I don't trust you.
I don't trust you. You're manipulating me. I haven't done anything.
You're doing good, bud.
This is manipulation. Help! Help me! Help! I haven't done anything wrong. They're manipulating me. Help! Help me! Please! They're touching my cock. Help! Help! I haven't done anything to you.
No, don't hit your head. That's what we're trying to make sure.
Babe, I swear to God, I haven't done anything.
You check that side?
You can check every...
You guys do that?
Babe, I haven't done anything. You can check every...
Turn around. Turn around.
I guess the camera's broken.
Help! Help me! Help! This is abuse! Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help! Help me, please!
No, don't worry about it. Alright,
Don't touch my...
do another quick search, please.
Don't touch my hand! You're breaking my arm! He's breaking my arm! Help! 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 He's breaking my arm! He's breaking my arm! Help!
Hands on the floor.
Help me! Please! Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help me!
Get on your knees, bud. George, get on your knees, okay?
Either you go down or we put you down.
There
Thank
you go. All right, face. There you go. Just hang tight. All right.
That's it.
Go.
Yeah.
Go. I got you.
Go. Come on out.
Behind you at the door.
The officer earns a B+. Reasonable suspicion was solid. Force was proportional. Documentation thorough. Points lost only for a contact stance slightly inside the reactionary gap, the minimum distance to react to a sudden attack. George earns an F. Every off-ramp was refused. A misdemeanor inquiry escalated into a felony assault. DFW Airport Police earns an A- for continuous bodycam coverage, contact and cover discipline, and visible de-escalation training. First lesson. A lawful investigative stop is not negotiable. Verbal disagreement is your right. Physical compliance preserves every legal option. Resistance against a peace officer in Texas turns a misdemeanor inquiry into a felony in seconds. Second lesson. Bodycam is the most honest witness in the room. It documents lawful officer conduct and captures every word a suspect speaks. Accusations of abuse on a clean recording become evidence for the prosecution, not the defense.